Hello everyone, we are Group 7 and our topic is all about Human Resource Management. What is HRM? Human Resource Management, also known as HRM, is the way toward using and utilizing individuals, preparing them, remunerating them, creating arrangements, identifying with them, and creating methodologies to hold them. As a field, HRM has gone through numerous progressions in the course of the most recent 20 years, giving it a much more significant part in the present associations. Previously, HRM implied handling finance, sending birthday presents to representatives, masterminding organizations, and ensuring structures were rounded out effectively at the end of the day. A greater amount of regulatory job instead of key job, pivotal to the accomplishments of the association. Human resource management is the process of recruiting, training, rewarding, and retraining employees, while also developing policies and strategies for managing them. Over the past 2 decades, HRM has evolved from a primarily administrative role, handling tasks like payroll and organizing events, into a more strategic functions that plays a key role in the success of an organization.
What is a recreation worker? A recreation worker plans and leads relaxation exercises for bunches in volunteer organizations or entertainment offices. For example, play areas, parks, camps, and senior focuses. They may lead exercises in zones. For example, expressions and specialties, sports, games, music, and outdoors. Amusement laborers are utilized in an assortment of settings, including day camps, diversion focuses, stops, and voyage ships. A recreation worker is someone who plans, organizes, and leads recreation activities and programs to promote relaxation, social interaction, and physical activity among various groups. They work in settings such as community centers, parks, senior centers, camps, and other recreational facilities. Their tasks typically involve organizing and leading activities like arts and crafts, sports, games, music, outdoor trips, and fitness exercise. Recreation workers often focus on enhancing the well-being and enjoyment of individuals, whether they're leading a group of children at a day camp, facilitating an arts and crafts sessions for seniors, or organizing a team sport. The role may involve both structured programs and informal recreation, depending on the needs and interests of the participants. They are employed in a variety of environments, including community centers, parks, day camps, cruise ships, and recreational facilities. The goal of their work is to foster a positive, fun, and healthy environment where individuals of all ages can engage in a meaningful leisure activities.
To effectively manage this external force, HR professionals should 1. Monitor and analyze external trends and developments. 2. Develop strategic plans to address emerging challenges. 3. Foster collaboration with stakeholders, such as employees, management, and external partners. 4. Communicate effectively with employees and stakeholders. 5. Review and adopt HR policies and practices regularly. 6. Invest in continuous learning and professional development. By understanding and responding to this external force, HR professionals can 1. Enhance organizational competitiveness. 2. Improve employee engagement and retention. 3. Drive business growth and sustainability. 4. Mitigate risk and ensure compliance. 5. Foster a positive organizational culture.
So let's move on to the role of HRM. Number one is staffing. the process of recruiting, selecting, training, and developing employees to fill specific job roles within an organization. Number 2 is advancement of working environment strategies, improving workplace conditions such as safety, ergonomics, and work-life balance to enhance employee satisfaction and productivity. Number 3, remuneration and advantages organization, designing and implementing compensation and benefits packages including salaries, bonuses, and perks to attract and retain employees. Number 4 is maintenance, ensuring the upkeep and repair of physical facilities and equipment to maintain a safe and efficient workplace. Number 5, managing loss influencing work, staying informed about and complying with relevant labor laws and regulations to avoid legal issues and maintain a fair work environment. Number 6, labor security, protecting employees' rights and ensuring their job security through fair employment practices and grievance procedures. Number 7, correspondence, effective communication with employees, clients, and other stakeholders through various channels such as email, phone, and in-person meetings. Number 8, attention to outside elements, monitoring external factors such as economic trends, industry changes, and competitive pressures to adapt business strategies accordingly.
The changing field of human resources management. Human resources management, or HRM, has evolved significantly over the years, adapting to the changing dynamics of the workplace. Here are some key trends shaping the field. First is HR technology. HR departments are increasingly relying on HR technologies to automate routine tasks such as payroll, benefits, administration, and recruitment. Second is data analytics. HR professionals are using data analytics to gain insights into employees' performance, engagement, and retention. Third is AI machine learning. AI-powered tools are being used for tasks like resume screening, talent assessments, and employees engagement surveys. The field of human resources management, HRM, is evolving due to significance of business trends, particularly technological advancement, innovations like satellites, communication, network system, and remote work tools have transformed workplace interactions. For instance, telecommunicating has grown in popularity, promoting HR professionals to develop new policies and strategies to manage this shift efficiently. These changes emphasize HR's role in adapting to modern workplace dynamics.
Guidelines. First, a college degree is adequate for passage-level entertainment positions. Advanced education might be required for managerial positions and instructing or research positions at colleges and universities. Second, obtain summer, low maintenance, a temporary position, or volunteer involvement with camps, amusement or wellness focuses, social assistance association, vacation destination, and so on. Third, develop a strong foundation of recreational and relaxation hypotheses and restorative practices.
Next is, it demonstrates solid relational, verbal, and composed relational abilities and capacity to deal with a group. Learn to cooperate adequately with individuals and different ages, foundations, and capacity levels. Next one is exhibit physical dexterity, endurance, and an inspirational soul. An enthusiasm for working outside is fundamental for certain positions.
For the guidelines, join related proficient affiliation, go to state public expert affiliation gatherings. For the bullet number 2, seek information on the U.S. What's More World Topography